Today I'm going to show how to enter LG washing machine test mode. The first washer must be empty. I'll press and hold the spin speed and the soil level buttons. At the same time, press the power button. The machine will enter the test mode. Under test mode, press start pause button repeatedly to cycle through the test mode every step. I will post each step and what is the meaning in the end for your reference. Press start button one time. The drum will turn clockwise. Take a look on the display. That's 46, 47. That represents the spin rate. Press second time. It runs low speed spin. And then you press a third time. The drum runs high speed spin. Press the fourth time. The drum will slow down and turn on the inlet valve for the pre-wash. When it tests the water inlet valve, keep an eye on that number right now, 262. That number represents the water level. The larger number right now means empty. When water pouring in, that number will decrease. If that number don't change, that means your water level sensor doesn't work. Press the fifth time. The inlet valve for the main wash turns on. Right now the water level number is keeping going down. If you keep pressing that button again and again, they will check the hot water inlet valve, the steam, and the bleach. After you press the start button 9 times, the drum will rotate counterclockwise. The number shows the motor speed. That means the washer motor is good. So let me press this again. This is for the heater turn on for 3 seconds. I press that again. This is for the circulation. Let me press this again. This is for the drain pump. You can hear the water flow through the drain pipe. See this number, when they reach over 260, that means the drum is empty. Right now, you can't hear the water flow sound. So I press again. They will go to the dry fan and the motor turns on for this model of the LG washer. I press again. They finish all the auto tests. This chart shows how to enter the test mode and what's meaning for every step. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. Thank you. See you next time.